Hi everybody, I'm so excited. Our wonderful development in Kennedy Street, Maylands is coming to completion. This is one of our finished apartments, but follow me over here. I'm getting my fluoro shirt and my hard hat, and we're going to go and have a look at just how exciting this project is. This is going to be the gymnasium. As you can see, there's nothing in it yet, but when you move in, it'll be full of the world's best equipment. Down here, a wonderful sauna for those cold wintry nights after you've had a swim in the pool. I'm going to show you later. And in here, a fabulous lounge room, all for your communal use. There will be a pool table there. There will be chairs, tables and a television on the corner. Just like living in a resort. Fantastic. And have a look at this. It opens out onto the fantastic pool area, complete with a barbecue, gazebo area. There'll be tables and chairs and lounges for you to lay on, sunbake, all lovely and secure. 20-metre pool, heated, so you can swim in the summer and the winter. I mean, really, just like living in a resort. Now, this is one of our premium 3-bedroom apartments. Imagine sitting on your balcony here of a night time, a little bit of cheese, some salami, a nice glass of red wine, and you walk across to the balcony and look down upon this every night. Wonderful, wonderful views. How good is this? Wonderful location, right next door to the Maylands train station. All the cafes, restaurants, little bars that you find in Maylands, plus the new Bayswater station, which will service Ellenbrook as part of Metronet and also the airport. It doesn't get any better than this. 5 minutes on a train straight to the city. Prices are fantastic, from as low as $345,000. You'll be able to move in early June. Contact me or Glenda, my colleague, as soon as you can for a private inspection. Nice to chat.